Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from JS Collections, the Women's Hope Flounce T-length dress. If you're looking for elegance and sophistication, you've come to the right place. Let's start with the basics. This dress is crafted from 100% polyester, ensuring both comfort and durability. The fabric feels luxurious and drapes beautifully, making it a perfect choice for special occasions. The design features an embroidered mesh overlay, complemented by a short sleeve and a classic bateau neckline. It's all about timeless elegance with a modern twist. Now, when it comes to style, the Hope dress really shines. The flounce skirt adds a touch of playfulness, while the T-length cut strikes a balance between formal and chic. Whether you're attending a wedding, a cocktail party, or a special dinner, this dress promises to make a statement. It's available in a stunning navy, jade color combination, which is versatile yet distinctive. Attention to detail is evident in every aspect of this dress. From the secure zipper closure to the intricate embroidery, JS Collections has spared no effort in creating a garment that exudes quality and sophistication. Remember, this dress is dry clean only, so be sure to handle it with care to maintain its pristine condition. Wondering how to style it? Pair it with simple heels and understated jewelry to let the dress take center stage. You can also experiment with different hairstyles to match the occasion and your personal style. In conclusion, the JS Collections Women's Hope Flounce T-length dress is truly a standout piece in the world of women's fashion. Its blend of elegance, craftsmanship, and attention to detail make it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their wardrobe. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and style tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.